This video will demonstrate how to clean and maintain a Napoleon Freestyle Grill. The following tools are recommended to have on hand when performing this service: safety glasses, gloves, and a 3/8-inch socket. To begin, turn your attention to the cabinet and disconnect the fuel source from the grill. Open the lid and remove the warming rack, cooking grids, and sear plates from inside the grill. Once all of these have been removed, slide out the drip pan from under the control panel and drip tray from the side of the grill. Clean these parts with warm water and dish soap and dry them off with a towel. Reinstall the clean drip tray and drip pan into the grill, then locate your burner and jet fire maintenance kit in a piece of sandpaper. Use the brush to clean the jet fire supply tube and use the sandpaper to gently clean the grease off the electrode. Removing the grease ensures a clean spark can form between the electrode and supply tube. Turn your attention to the burners and use a 3/8-inch socket to remove them from the cook box. With the burner removed, use the supplied drill bit to remove any blockages noticed in the burner ports. On the tip of the burner, check the air shutter opening. Cross-reference the product manual to ensure the opening meets the specifications stated to ensure correct flame characteristics. Reinstall the burners into the grill, ensuring each end is placed over the manifold correctly, and secure them in place. Reconnect the fuel supply to the grill before turning on the gas to perform a leak test. Create a mixture that's 50% water and 50% dish soap, and apply it to all gas connections using a basting brush or similar tool. Look for bubbles forming at the connections, indicating a leak, and tighten them as necessary. Once no leaks have been detected, test the operation of the ignition system and burners to ensure they match the flame characteristics stated within the product manual. With all burners tested and operational, the sear plates, cooking grids, and warming rack can be reinstalled into the grill to finalize the service. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.